How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be mixing up some mulch with a pile of dirt and some horse manure. I had found some place where they had dumped a bunch of bags of mulch. They were old, probably last year's batch, and some of it's a little bit rotten already. And I said, man, this is right down my alley. So I asked the gentleman if I could have some of it. And he said, take what you want. So we got about 25 bags here. And if he lets me come back and get some more, I may end up getting some more. We'll see. I'm just going to get ready to start emptying these bags. I got the tractor down there. We're going to mix it all up. Well, we did pretty good. We had 29 bags of mulch here, all free. Stuff that they was gonna throw away, well, they did throw away. Probably a last year's batch, got wet, started mildewing and rotting. Like I said, that's right down our alley. All we gotta do is get rid of the plastic bags. Find one bag, stick them all in. All right, 29 bags of mulch. We have a pile of dirt right there. We're going to take that pile of dirt and then that pile of horse manure, and we're going to mix it with that pile of mulch. So this mulch that we're making now will be used eventually in our raised beds. We'll continue doing this for quite a few years and letting this rot down. There's a lot of wood chips in there. Now you can see we put the mulch, bags of mulch in there, and then a lot of the mulch, wood chips that we get out of the garage from the planer and the saws and stuff all go into this pile. Any old vegetables and different things like that we put into this pile, and we'll continue doing this for quite a few years, and this will make some really nice dirt for our raised beds. We should have a pretty good sized pile. I mean, this is going to rotten down. It's going to get small, and you're going to have to keep rotating it every once in a while. I'm not sure exactly how long it takes to take that and turn it into dirt. Sophie, that hurts. Sophie digging her claws into me. But as you guys can see, what we did in the what we done in the chicken coop, all the mulch we put in the chicken coop, it all rotted down. I mean, it's probably a couple feet thick in there now. So yeah, I would like to tell everyone also, thanks for using our Amazon store down in the description down below. It's really nice because it does help out the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything more to shop on my Amazon storefront than as if you just went to Amazon. It's the same thing. But we get a small commission off of some of the qualifying purchases, definitely helping out the channel. So hopefully one day, how long you think it'll take before I can actually use this? Does anybody know? I'm still new to making this dirt, but just curious what you guys got to say on how long you think it'll take to be able to put this in the garden. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.